Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need to confirm your device model and prepare a backup before making any system changes. Start by checking settings, right arrow general, right arrow about to confirm iPhone 6. Back up to iCloud or a computer now, because an update can fail and you want your data safe. Make sure your battery is charged above 50% or keep the phone plugged in and free up 5 to 10 gigabytes of storage. Once done, connect to reliable Wi-Fi so downloads don't corrupt partway. Now proceed to the next step. You'll now attempt the standard installation route. Open Settings, then General, then Software Update and wait while Apple checks for compatible releases. If iOS 16 appears, tap Download. You may need to delete apps or offload media if storage is tight. The download can take from minutes to an hour depending on connection speed, so keep Wi-Fi stable. Once the download completes, tap Install and allow the phone to restart. Make sure it stays on power and do not interrupt the process until the home screen reappears. After the restart, walk through the on-screen setup prompts and sign back in with your Apple ID when asked. This completes activation and restores services. If the update fails, first retry the download, then try resetting network settings, and finally use Finder on Mac OS or iTunes on Windows to install via a wired connection. If the iPhone 6 cannot receive iOS 16 due to hardware limits, focus on installing latest supported security updates, or consider upgrading or trading in the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.